a little French lamb rack here. What's French mean? Just got my butcher. Take off all that fat and all that sinew from the bone itself. That's really good. So you have bone, we've got a little fat on top. Let's season these up here with a little olive oil, just so that the salt and pepper sticks to it. A little salt, just make sure you get it all over the meat. A little pepper, boom, 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 boom. A little bit more salt here on the back. Gotta make sure you salt both ends here. A little pepper. These are ready for the grill. Putting my lamb racks on now. Got super high heat on my left-hand side. 1 steamboat, 2 steamboat, 3 steamboat. That means it's hot enough. Right-hand side, I've turned completely off because I'm gonna slide my lamb racks over. Before I put my lamb racks on, oiled my grill. Don't want them sticking. We've already seasoned them, so straight onto the grill. That's the sound I'm looking for. These are gonna sear, all that color, all that flavor. That's gonna take about 4 or 5 minutes to sear. Then we're gonna take them off and move them to the right-hand side. We wanna put these meat side down. Once we move them over to the cooler side, we'll just put them up into a little rack and let them cook all the way through, bone side up. So we've got a really nice sear on there now. Beautiful. All I want to do is slide them over to the cold side now, or cooler side, because it's off, and just stand them up. Here we go. Just interlock them. Just let them cook nice and evenly now. Close our lid. 20 minutes, these will be done. It's been 20 minutes now. Time to take a look. Whoa, look at the lamb. Beautiful color on that. Medium rare. These are ready to come off. Ooh, it's gonna be hard judging this one.